No problems here, boys.
Yeah, so another beautiful day here in Nice. Pretty light winds again, between sort of 4 and 7 knots maybe. A couple of hull flyers here and there, but all in all pretty light wind sailing. So you know, we had a pretty good day to start off with. We sort of just chipped away and had a couple of sort of, you know, reasonable scores, and at the end of the day we let it slip a little bit with a couple of ones towards the back, but you know, all in all we're pretty happy. I think we moved up the leaderboard just a little bit, and with 2 days to go we're very much in the hunt. So we'll just go home tonight, debrief, see where we can improve for tomorrow and the next day. With the wind's probably going to be very similar again, so you know, we'll look to come out firing tomorrow and keep moving up the leaderboard.